Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to use a rat tail comb, some elastic string and parting clips. First I'm going to pop my hair in the middle. And then I'm going to take the elastic string and wrap it around the first section. And then secure it at the end. I'll do the second section as well. I'm going to take a section from my left, which is your right, and then I'm going to divide it into two parts and then put the first section into the middle of the divided section to form a diagonal, and then I'm just going to wrap it with the elastic string. Do the same method throughout. Just divide the hair, put the first section into the middle part, and then just wrap it with your elastic string. Do this until you get to the end of that specific section. Now for this section we are just going to do the same, not exactly the same because we're not going to form that diagonals, but you're just going to wrap the first section, and then when you get to the second section you're going to make your part and then divide it into two, and then take that first section and place it in the middle of that section and then just wrap it. And you'll do that throughout and it's done. Cut out the loose ends of the elastic string. Make sure to secure your hair together with some wool. It doesn't have to be really tight. I took a piece of hairpiece and divided it into two, so the little part I'm going to use it to cover my elastic when I tie it to my hair, And then I took transparent elastic to make the bubbles. So I just tied it around a little section and then fluffed it out so that it can have a kind of like a ball shape. So I just did this throughout. Grab some wool of your choice. I chose pink, yellow and orange, and then I tied it around the elastic to cover it up. Then I secured it so that it can look amazing. I took the small piece of hairpiece that I left out and I braided it with silver elastic string. The look is complete. Just look at that color. Oh my word, I'm so in love with this look. Do make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.